Alright, hey gang, and welcome to this edition of I Buy Too Many Toys. I mean, for the love of tractors, this is Jason here. And so you guys have been watching the unboxings from this auction, and they just keep going. And I really thought this was going to be the last video, but it turns out there's going to be one more video. And so like I said, I might buy too many toys. I just couldn't pass them up. Now, I realize it's not 1995 anymore, and these aren't really worth what they used to be. But I literally paid roughly a quarter to 50 cents a piece for these. So I wasn't going to let them go. Like, they're coming home with me, right? Check this out. New in the box. 1/64 scale Ford with the loader. Got a couple of those bad boys in there. We've got the old Ertl little hay bale thing. And then we've got the gravity wagon. I thought this was really neat, actually. Check out the Rumley oil pull, and this is from the Sublet Farm Toy Show, so I think that stays with me, probably. Don't really want to get rid of that. Look at this. Back in the day, for $1.88 at Walmart, you could have got you some Massey Ferguson tractors. $1.88. Wow, you can't even get tractors at Walmart anymore. And back then, they had Masseys for that. Check out the cool Ford 8730. We've got the mixer mill, cool die-cast sprayer. It's a Ford. The folks that I got this from, the guy that was doing this, his family was actually an AC dealer, but he seemed to be really into things like Ford and things like that. So more of tractors or farm machinery of the world from Ertl. Check out the plow, new in the box, and the Massey farm wagon, new in the box. And we've got the McCormick. I'll wait on that for a sec. Hay baler, Massey Ferguson. And then, now we're into the John Deere. And I got this whole box of John Deere. A lot of Soundguard tractors. Got the mixer mill. I love this style of packaging. The kind of old school with the yellow stripe. It just takes me back to being a kid, walking into Cronky Implement, Hall, Illinois, looking at tractors. Life was good. Got an introductory model, 1/64 scale antique collector. This is from Scale Models. Mr. Joe Ertl still out there doing it strong, wonderful guy. And just saw him last week, actually. He is still at it, guys. Manure spreader, the Hydro Push, and then, let's see, we've got the Deere baler. We've got the forage harvester, all these new in the package. So I gotta be honest, I gotta really kind of go through and see what's what, and if anything here is maybe a little more desirable than others. Probably a couple of these, or at least one of these Soundguards, I'll probably just keep for my collection, just so I can say I've got one new in the package. Maybe that guy right there, kind of like him. But yeah, most of these will end up getting sold one way or another down the road. As is the life of a farm toy dealer, you buy when another farm toy dealer is selling out, and you end up with his stuff. So, anyway, guys, appreciate you watching. Fun. Oh, I didn't know I showed you the little Oliver 880. Sorry, kind of skipped that guy. This is a Toy Tractor Times tractor, so he'd probably stay with me, too. Pretty neat, I thought. I'm going to go ahead and get him out of the package. Check that out. Pretty cool. All die-cast there, so that's got some serious weight to it. Looks like he purchased that in 2/19 of '88. So that's kind of cool. Anyway, there you go, guys. There's my mess of farm toys from the auction. Thank you for watching this edition of I Buy Too Many Farm Toys. And we'll see you soon. Have yourselves a great day. Happy tractor hunting.